today I'm going to be playing with fidgets. You can't really see them all, but I got some new ones. 3 new ones. And 2 are my old ones. Oh, no, 4 new ones. Because I got this little fidget spinner. See? It's really fun. So I'm just going to be showing you some. But some are not really fidgets. They're just fidgety, like this one. And this iPad cover. And this rolling mat. They are very fidgety. But they're not fidgets. Oh, and these bangles. They are so fun to play with. I love playing with them. So I'm just going to show them to you. And look, these bangles are my favorite ones. Look, bangles are playing. It's just really fun because it makes the sound. So that's why I really like about the bangles. And this is my new puppet. It's really fun. By the way, this is my favorite puppets. I got 2 and then Kyra got 1. Kyra bought a headband and this puppet. Anyway, I'll show you next. But this puppet is so much fun. The video is already like 2 minutes. Wait, 35 seconds. Okay, guys. Well, this is my favorite puppet. Now, onto this fidget spinner. Look, it's my favorite. I have to do this. Spin it around. And it's so mini. You can't see it in real life because it's just so tiny. And now onto this puppet. It's a heart-shaped one. It's also my favorite. It's also mine. It's very fun to pop, but the heart side is not very nice. I really like my fidgets. So much fun, guys. Now, I'll show you Kyra's. This is Kyra's. The video is like 5 minutes and like 23 seconds, I guess. Oh my gosh, this puppet is hard. Look. It won't even pop. Anyway, on to the next one. This is the puppet that my Nancy gave me. Kyra's fidget, I don't know where it is. My Nancy has been in some of my videos. She's reacted to me on her channel. Go check it out. This puppet. And now, like, the iPad cover. I'm using Kyra's iPad right now. It has this cover, except no Apple on the back. Woo! And I chose this for, like, fidget because it's really fun to play with, actually. You can pretend you're on your iPad. You can prank your mom and dad, you know? And then this mat. I just found it. It's so fidgety. I just like it so much. It's so fidgety. some from the washing fidgets one? Yeah, this was there. And this. But nothing else was there. Anyway, guys, next is this bag. I like squishing it a lot. Feels like my dad's belly. Woo! So fun. Anyway, guys, it's the end of the video. Goodbye. Don't forget to watch my Nancy and Ashley's channel.